I used coconut oil like this for 7 days, and my skin completely transformed. No expensive serums, no complicated routines, just 5 simple hacks that dermatologists don't want you to know about. Stick around for hack number 4. It cleared my stubborn dark spots in 1 week. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living. Today I'm sharing the 5 coconut oil hacks that gave me the clearest, most glowing skin of my life. These aren't your basic coconut oil as moisturizer tips. These are targeted solutions for specific skin concerns. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll need organic virgin coconut oil, not refined. The difference matters, and I'll explain why as we go. Grab your coconut oil and let's transform your skin together. Hack number 1 is the double cleanse that removes makeup better than any expensive cleaner. Take a quarter-sized amount of coconut oil, warm it between your palms, and massage it onto dry skin for 60 seconds. Focus on makeup-heavy areas. Watch how it melts away even waterproof mascara. The lauric acid in coconut oil breaks down makeup and sunscreen without stripping your skin. Add a splash of warm water and continue massaging. It'll turn milky. This emulsification lifts dirt from your pores. Wipe away with a warm, damp cloth, then follow with your regular cleanser. Why it works. Coconut oil is lipophilic. It attracts oil-based impurities. Your skin's natural barrier stays intact, unlike harsh cleansers that strip everything. Hack number 2 is overnight spot treatment. Coconut oil can target stubborn blemishes and dark spots overnight. Mix 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. It'll look like a bright orange paste. Apply directly to dark spots, acne scars, or active blemishes before bed. The lauric acid fights bacteria while turmeric reduces inflammation. Warning: use an old pillowcase. Turmeric stains. But trust me, it's worth it. This is my hyperpigmentation after 7 nights. The difference is dramatic. Why it works. Coconut oil's antimicrobial properties combined with turmeric's curcumin create a powerful spot treatment. Studies show lauric acid kills acne-causing bacteria more effectively than benzoyl peroxide, without the irritation. Hack number 3 is my weekly glow mask that gives you glass skin in 15 minutes. The recipe: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix until smooth. The coconut oil moisturizes, honey draws in hydration, and lemon gently exfoliates. Apply to clean, damp skin in upward strokes. Avoid the eye area because of the lemon. Leave on for 15 minutes while you relax. Rinse with lukewarm water using circular motions. The texture provides gentle physical exfoliation. Look at this instant glow. My skin feels plump, hydrated, and so soft. Pro tip: do this mask on Sunday evenings for glowing Monday skin. Hack number 4 saved my under eyes from looking exhausted 24/7. Take the tiniest amount of coconut oil, we're talking rice grain size, and warm it between your ring fingers. Gently pat, never rub, under your eyes from inner to outer corner. The ring finger applies the least pressure, preventing damage to delicate skin. Timing matters. Do this 30 minutes before bed, not right before sleep. It needs time to absorb, or you'll wake up puffy. After 2 weeks of nightly use, my dark circles lightened and fine lines softened. The vitamin E in coconut oil repairs and protects this delicate area. Why it works. The under eye area has no oil glands, so it dries out faster. Coconut oil's medium-chain fatty acids penetrate deeply without clogging pores. Hack number 5 gives you all-over body glow that looks like you're lit from within. In a bowl, combine half cup coconut oil, melted, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, mix until it looks like wet sand. The brown sugar exfoliates while coconut oil moisturizes. In the shower, on damp skin, massage in circular motions. Focus on rough areas, elbows, knees, heels. Use firm but gentle pressure. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes while the coconut oil penetrates. Rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel slippery. That's the coconut oil barrier locking in moisture. Pat dry and look at this glow. No lotion needed. Your skin is hydrated, smooth, and radiant. Store in a sealed jar for up to 2 months. If your bathroom is cold, the coconut oil will solidify. Just scoop and warm between hands before use. Bonus tip: choosing the right coconut oil. Not all coconut oil is created equal. Here's what to look for: virgin or extra virgin. Cold pressed organic glass jar, not plastic. Solid at room temperature below 76 degrees. Fahrenheit red flags. Refined coconut oil. Processing removes beneficial compounds. No coconut smell means it's been heavily processed. Liquid at room temperature, it's been mixed with other oils. Important warnings. Before you run to try these, here are critical safety points. Patch test first. Test coconut oil on your inner arm for 24 hours. Some people are sensitive, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Skip coconut oil if you have very oily skin, it's comedogenic for some. Are allergic to coconuts, obvious but important. Have active cystic acne, see a dermatologist first. Here's my 30-day coconut oil journey. Week 1, skin feels softer, makeup applies smoother. Week 2, dark spots start lightening, fewer breakouts. Week 3, noticeable glow, even skin tone improving. Week 4, clearest skin I've had in years, compliments from strangers 30 days later. No filters, same lighting. The transformation speaks for itself. Cost breakdown: 1 jar of coconut oil costs about $8 to $12 and lasts 2 to 3 months for all these hacks. Compare that to expensive serums and treatments. This is skincare on a budget that actually works. So there you have it. 5 coconut oil hacks that transformed my skin without breaking the bank. Natural, effective, and proven. Which hack are you trying first? Drop a comment and let me know. If you want more natural beauty solutions like this, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Remember, beautiful skin doesn't require expensive products. Just the right natural ingredients used the right way. Until next time, stay glowing.